Hey guys, welcome back to Our Old Farmhouse. My name is Corey. In today's video, we're going to be showing off our chickens using their run for the very first time. Stay tuned. All right, I'm out here just getting some last minute chores done for the day. But as you already know from our intro, our chicks actually went out and used the run for the very first time. And with that said, there was a couple of things that you should always kind of consider when you're opening up a run to a new flock of chickens, and that is they're new to the area, so you kind of got to be patient with them. Today when we let ours out, it took them approximately almost 5 hours before any of them actually left the coop and went out into the run. And even after that, it took quite a bit of enticing. I got to duck down here. It took quite a bit of enticing to get them out actually into the run. Once they were, though, they really enjoyed their time. We put some food scraps out. If you haven't already done so, I published a video last week about 5 ways to predator-proof your chicken run. And one of the most important, I think it was tip number 3 actually, is to make sure that you're not leaving food scraps out overnight. You don't want to entice any kind of predators to come in and to mess with your flock. So I will make sure that before it gets dark out that those are all cleaned up, just to kind of prevent any kind of invitation for any predators to come in. And then other than that, check out the video. I'll roll the footage in just a minute. I got some chores out here that I got to finish up before heading in myself. And if you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe. We always love your guys' support. We have a lot of plans with our channel, and we need you guys here to make that possible. Thank you. Feed him up. Good job. That's for the chickens. Hey, they were eating off that. Here. Here.